Hello, welcome again to this YouTube channel. So basically, we're going to solve this particular form. Okay, if you look at this form, you can see that the denominator now has actually only have a linear function, but in a repeating form. What does it mean by repeating form? It means that your cx minus 1, it repeats itself, meaning that you have a multiplication of x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. Okay, so that is the meaning of repeating linear function. Okay, so how to solve this? We do the same thing again. All right, so I have this one. So now the only things that changing is that I put a with my x, okay, because x is also a factor. So do not just leave it as it is. And then I put b for my first factor, s minus 1, and then I put another c with my next second repeating factor. Okay, so this is what make it different from the previous example. Okay, because the previous example you don't have the square in the factor. What you have is the quadratic function. Okay, so this is the changing the difference. All right, so how to solve just this? Okay, you can see from here what I did. I only just utilize my concept of solving my fraction. All right, so this is what I have. Okay, if you forget how to solve this, always remember your common denominator. Okay, how you're going to put them all together back to your original equation. Okay, so now my denominator just becoming like this. Okay, so I also put my left hand side with this fraction so that it is easier for you to see. Now I simplify this version because you can see the denominator is just the same. So we just focus on denominator only. Why that is so? Because you always have to remember in whatever things that you do, for example, in this problem, you want to find A, B, and C. Doesn't matter about the rest of the things. All right. So that's why this is just the method of trying to make full use of what you have in mind. Okay, so this is my negative. So plus 1. Okay, this is me just trying to expand all these things so that I can make full use of my concept corresponding all the coefficient together. Okay, so once you have this one, my coefficient for my x is actually just this. Okay, and then my s square, sorry, and my coefficient for x is just basically this. Okay, and my coefficient for my constant is just a. All right, and then I put like this. Okay, just for you to see how can I put the same corresponding coefficient. Okay, that's why, because you know 0 multiplied by x is just 0. Okay, everyone knows that, but I also put this one because I want you to see that my why I put a plus b equals to 0, and my 2a minus b plus c equals to 1, and then my a equals to 2. Okay, so I think you already get that. And then once you have a equals to 2, the rest just fall in place. Okay, so my b now becomes negative 2, my c now becomes 3. Okay, and then now once you have that, you can put that back to your original simplified version of your fractional partial fraction. Now you have 2 over x, and then you have minus 2 over x minus 1, and then you have 3 over x minus 1 to the power of 2. Okay, voila. So that's how you solve this particular problem. I hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.